Okay, this is not title. We're gonna say, hey, let's code Telegram chatbot with Gemini. All right. Updating titles. Now the question is, am I online? This makes it look like I'm online. How about over here? Am I online if I look at this? Oh, look at that. I probably can hear myself too. Hold on. Yep, cool. All right. Well, guys, it has been a hot minute. A few things have changed, obviously. I've been busy, working. But today I have a couple things that I'd like to get done, and I thought you guys could come with me. Yeah, so welcome along. I'm gonna grab some repo I've been working on for a while. No, wait, it's tools agent, tools agent, I think. Tool agent. Tools agents. All right, we'll go look. It's tool something. It is private though. Oh, I might need to sign in. Could have something to do with it. And let's see here. Sorry. All right. Try that. Sorry. Pre-stream stuff in theory. Sorry. Google's been not Google, but GitHub's, which is Microsoft, has been asking me to add a there we go. Sorry. It's been asking me to add like a pass key for a while, and I didn't until recently kind of figure out that that was something I wanted to do. So it took me a minute. Let's see here. Let me make sure I'm not. Okay, so that's live. We're good. This is open. I might need that. This is me, and then there's chat, and this is us. All right, so let's look for, let's see, repos. Tools agents. It was tools agents. I just wasn't logged in. Anyways, I have this on my Linux box, but oh gosh, keybinds is going to be weird. I've been using Linux for months now without switching back for anything other than, I think I popped over for like Illustrator for a minute. Anyways, workspace, active personal, and then we're gonna clone the tools agents repo because I don't want to start from scratch. You know what else I'm gonna need though that I haven't updated in a minute on this box is going to be cursor, because that is my agentic editor of choice at the moment. Plus, later on, depending on how far I can get on this and how fast, I'd like to actually work on some, what do they call it? I want to say it's MVC, but I feel like that's the wrong acronym. Anyways, the tool server standard that Anthropic has come up with. That's fine. It's fine. And I don't need to restart because it's already part of my shell. Sorry, I would have done this earlier, but I didn't realize that, well, I thought I was going to be streaming on the Linux box. I just need to figure out how to get that working. My camera is not happy with Linux, which is fine. It's kind of an older DSLR. It didn't, it's the sort of thing you shouldn't expect Linux to necessarily support. There's a great library. Why is this opening? Probably because I clicked something to say open, maybe. Anyways, I don't need that right now. Thank you. What I do need is, let's see, our system audio is off, right? Yes, desktop audio is currently off. Sorry, I'm gonna play myself some music, and I don't have anything that's necessarily, no, I don't want to listen. Oh, my headset never did connect. Wow. How do I want to play this? Guess I can remove it and let me try disconnect, reconnect one more time. Oh. Wait, what? It suddenly went to connected for a second, right when I turned it on. Connecting. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of weird to me how bad Microsoft is at Bluetooth, which I think is because they're not actually doing it. It's like through something else. Wow, really? I don't want to deal with this right now, but I want to listen to some music while I got this going on. I don't want to just be talking to myself. Connecting. What? You saw that, right? For a second there, it connected, and then it disconnected. I'm probably just gonna have to put it in. See if it'll let me remove it. Okay. We'll just put it into pairing mode. This is like the most riveting stream I've done in a long time. I don't think you guys understand. I mean, if you get the joke, then you win the prize. There we go. Connected. All right. And can I have some music now? All right. Beautiful. And that is muted, so I'm not going to get DMCA'd. All right. And let's go ahead and get working here. So, how do I want to pull this? I think let's just make a copy. And we're going to call this, what do we want to call this? Like Gemini Telegram bot. Let's call it Telegram bot. Or Telegram bot Fastify, or do we do Fastify Telegram bot? There we go, Fastify Telegram bot. That seems about right. Okay, we'll go. Okay, I'm gonna pull this off screen just for a second. Nope, I'm pulling this off screen. Thank you. Okay. Oh yeah, I just cloned it. It's not gonna have my environment variables. Anyways. So this is something I set up to kind of help myself a while back with some processing, and I need to strip it down to some of the basics. Let's see here. Get rid of that. The Prisma stuff is currently for something else, but we will probably want to use it. So I'm gonna hold on to that. Update cursor. I literally just downloaded it. Should click on it anyway. I guess we're gonna do that real quick. Oh, I'm gonna need to go get another watery beverage here in a second. Okay, so this yay cert is now something everybody can see. I think it was public anyways, hopefully. I don't need that. I just need to delete it. Okay. Let's look at the package real quick because there's a lot of stuff in here we probably don't need. So yeah, I'm gonna want the lang chain stuff. I'm gonna want the Fastify stuff. I do kind of want the quadrant stuff, but you know, we're not gonna start with that. We're not gonna need this at this point. Bottleneck, we will probably need. I don't know about like duck scrape and some of these other things. Let's add those back in as we need them. PDF to JSON, again, super useful. Don't know that we're going to be dealing with it today. Playwright, what was I using that for? Oh yeah, that's right. Okay. I was using that actually for some scraping. Super JSON, yes. Telegraph, yes. Telegram, yes. Yes. Okay. For all these is fine. Ooh, yeah. It's been a minute since I've logged in here. Oh, what's going on with Prettier? It's fine. It just wanted to complain a little. No, it's not fine. I hope we're not having these ESLint issues still. I thought I fixed everything. All right. We are going to need a .env to store some stuff. I'm going to pull up. So I've been using Gemini for a lot of stuff. AI Studio. Because the 2.0 yeah, we're gonna need both of these. But anyways, see if it still is. I'm assuming it is. Come on. Oh, where is it? There. No, that's pro experimental. Did they change it? Wait, am I gonna be getting charged for this stuff now? Oh my gosh, I might have missed out. Gemini 2.0 Flash Experimental has been free for a hot minute. I wonder if I can still use the experimental model or if it's going to start throwing errors. Huh. Yeah, but see, like this one, although it's only a... actually, that's a huge context window, isn't it? That's interesting. Flashlight. Anyways, you see the input and output is free on this because like when they're doing these experimental stuff, oftentimes, yeah, so flash thinking, input and output is free. I need to double check here. So I'm going to pull it off screen just for a second, make sure I'm not exposing something. And if I look at, where was it at? API plan information. Because I don't have like billing information in there, I think. No, okay, it's still, that's interesting. They must be changing it, but like it's still free currently, which is amazing. If you're willing to deal with, the 15 requests per minute and only up to 1,000,000 tokens per minute. Although I'll have to show you some outputs at some point. Like I've actually been like doing a lot of experiments with like memory, and so pulling in like contextual memories and stuff based on the conversation. And I've definitely been pushing like at least 500,000 tokens in a request. It's kind of wild. So you can easily get up there, but that's really inefficient. And obviously, if I wasn't getting free, credits, I would have had to be a whole lot more careful. Anyways, all right, we don't need this open anymore. Probably don't need that open anymore, but we'll keep it there for just a minute because I'm gonna want to create a repository for this. Anyhow, sorry, just double checking something. Yep, okay. It has been a week. Okay. That's the other thing. There's one other thing I really want to work on. I think I need to get this done first. But there's a project I was working on, Forge, which like Mecha Chaotic Forge, and it is a really neat NFT project. And I've been trying to, well, yeah, there was some delays, like it was used and then the creator wanted to set it back up to do some more stuff, and some of the libraries had kind of gone out of date, so I need to get everything back up and going and then create like a Docker container for it to make it a little bit more make it work the same way on his machine as it does mine, because we kept running into issues with that when he was trying to test, and so that was no good. Anyways, where am I at? Prettier was not working. Why is Prettier throwing an issue? Can I see? I might just, oh, you know what? I probably, because I haven't even installed anything yet. Let's go install deps. I am using PNPM. Oh, I need to update. Because again, I haven't been on this machine in a hot minute. All right, can I? There we go. PNPM self update. Hopefully it just doesn't break the way it did on my other machine. All right. Prisma. This is the other one, right? Yeah, okay. So I don't need this stuff. But I do want the next auth stuff because we potentially maybe might want to use that. And then the other thing, yeah, I'll keep it with Postgres right now, but we could switch it over potentially to like a SQLite. All right, this is all related to the other stuff. All right, we're getting closer here. And then the routes, I don't need any of these things. I will get rid of that. Gosh, I kind of want to just get rid of almost everything, but I really want to keep, no, I want to keep the stuff I have for the yeah, because I have some Telegram stuff already set up. Speaking of, let's get that. Oh. I told you I'm gonna have issues with buttons all day. All right. Let's get Telegram open here. You know, another thing I should open on the other screen just to make sure. I do use it for work-related things. Would not want to expose, you know, sensitive information. Let's see here. Okay, this is cool. This is fine. This is missing a bunch of stuff. Why is this missing a bunch of stuff? Hmm. Okay, there's stuff. Can I hide the side panel though? I don't really want it hanging out. Sorry. I know this is riveting entertainment, huh? Speaking of, I need to keep an eye on chat just in case. There we go. Okay. So, Alt tab, not Super tab. I'm going to need to create all that, but what if can I create another group? Settings, whatever. Chat folders, there we go. New folder. Dead stream. Other. Okay. Okay. Beautiful. Cool. It works. Okay, so we got this. Nope, that's not what I want. All right. That is not what I really want either. This needs to come back over here though. Okay. Here we are. Okay, so I'm gonna want this. Definitely need that. Don't need this. Let's see here. Don't need that. Wait, what was in here? That's just the research agent. Okay, that's fine for now. I don't think we need it. And we are not planning on using this for now. And it's not installed, so let's go ahead and nuke that. I can always come and grab it from the other side. What I do need to do though, I definitely need to let's nuke the Git stuff. Yeah. Goodbye Git. And then let's create a new repo, and this one's going to be public, no template. We're going to call this the Fastify Telegram bot. Telegram bot using Fastify. Lang chain. Telegraph. Telegraph. Okay, and it's gonna be public. I think it's MIT, but I want to, and then you know, just be able to add this other repo back in. So this is the command I want, or the set of commands I want. Oh, gosh, Alt tab. There we go. And bada boom, bada bing. Yep. Oh. Oh, that's right. I need to, what, get in it first. There we go. What? Now? Oh gosh, what did I do? Maybe I need to use like the other one basically. So let's see here. We'll do all that after. All right, so let's add all this. We commit it. Let's see here. Oh, let's make sure though. Let's see here. So that got rid of everything. Honestly, I think I actually want to go ahead and nuke the node modules and the PNPM lock. Something didn't do what I want it to there. Nope. I don't want to use the existing graph. I want it to start fresh for this. There we go. And prettier is much happier now. Okay, now with all that, and we have the appropriate ignores. Yep. Nothing in the end currently, and it is ignored. This is angry for some reason. I don't know why. Start the ESLint server. That's weird. TS configs don't usually choke right here. This is set. This is fine. Am I using, is this the newest ESLint? Is this 9 or whatever? Yeah. There's a major changes. Hey, Leon, cheers. Welcome. I am just cleaning up some old code and getting ready to start integrating the new stuff. That could be a useful example for me, but I don't know. Anyways, I think let's get into this. Okay, so we do need electron log. Is that, I thought we kept that. Packages, yeah, it's here. I need to restart my TS server. Okay, holy moly. Wow, PDF to JSON is a just a megalith of a package. Holy moly. Yeah, we don't need that right now. So let's get rid of that. We do not need that right now. In fact, let's just get rid of pretty much everything back to some basic types. So we can get, let's just get the Telegram bot part working first. It's actually surprisingly easy. And then we can start going over, or yeah, start moving up in the world from there. So let's see here. Handle Telegram message is actually not what I need, right? Because that's using, that's just, it's like a tool basically. We do need this. This is pretty important. And then the message splitter, we need extra reply. That is okay. Alrighty. Also, I definitely want to fix the way the env is working. So if I don't have that there, where is my env stuff? So this is a good load. And let's see here, these AI models. I don't like the way this stuff is really set up, and it's not really necessary for this. So we'll create our own. I kind of like the way this is set up. I wonder if I can use the T3 environment version. I like the way that they have that set up, but I don't need any of these. ChatDB URL. We will want one of those. No, we just need a database URL and we need our Gemini API key. I think that's all we need to start with. Let's just go back over here. and start getting rid of, again, stuff that I don't really care about right now. I don't even want that right now. So I had some file uploading stuff working, but I definitely want to change the way all of that works. This is going to be fine. All right, let's do this. Let's fix the load end stuff first. So, how does this usually work? And then it creates exports. Yeah, I want to see if the T3 version of this will work in Fastify. So let's see here, T3 env, I think. Yay! Take me. Oh yeah, this is a good way too. But basically, like I don't want to have to validate uh, every single time I use a environment variable, and there's a lot of times where you go to start up an application, you're like, oh crud, why is this thing not working? It should be working, and then all of a sudden you realize, oh yeah, I just didn't create .env. Okay, source dot. Yeah, this is perfect. I am stoked that this should work. PNPM add this. And then we will grab their boilerplate. Restart the TS server. There we go. Okay. There is no client here, which is cool. It's only server, just the stuff. And then where's the parsing? Oh, why didn't that? It worked, right? Did work. It's probably gonna be one of those where like restarting. I don't know why. Sometimes restarting the TypeScript server is all I need, and other times I have to like actually restart the entire IDE. And let's see if that does it this time. No, interesting. Huh. It did install, right? Because like I can see 2.3 os and core. Yeah, I mean it definitely installed. Huh. What if I get rid of this and go and try and auto import this? Do I have an import rule? Got to be something with my TS config. Oh gosh, this is gross. It's like a default thing. Module. Oh, I want module to be not common.js, I don't think. It's actually kind of interesting that that's working. Theo's, I love that they did this. This is one of those things with like the Create T3 stack that I use a lot, and it is fantastic. And to be able to just go ahead and throw it in a Fastify application is wonderful. But this I don't think is how I want it. Oh wait, yeah, okay, type module is set up. Never mind. There we go. That's the thing that I was looking for, and I think that's fine. But I feel like the module I want is probably like ES 2015 or ES Next. But I don't think that that matters in this context, right? I could be wrong. I will have no implicit any, but I'm going to have that in the ESLint rules should have my no implicit any. All right. Synthetic, I don't think I want that. I'm used to working in like, like Next.js, React, most of the time. So some of these node side things are definitely stuff I'll actually have to look up potentially. But anyways, all right. So why is this not happy then? I shouldn't need any sort of special types. Everything is there. It's like it's not mapping for some reason. So yeah, I can shift click that and it automatically gets over there. I'm curious too, because this doesn't need to be, And I am using up-to-date types, yes. Although I should update TypeScript latest. Because let's definitely start with the newest of everything, right? In fact, let's go ahead and let's do that with like Fastify and everything else. Let's see here. I always forget the best way to do this, so yeah. Let's see if the agent can do it for us. I'm curious. Please update all package on dependencies to the latest versions. Let's see if that'll do it for us. Oh. Oh yeah. All right. Sorry. Should be fine. Yes, log in. All right. Try that again. Does npm outdated work? Or how does that work? I've never actually used that command. Maybe I shouldn't admit that, but I don't even necessarily care about the Semver range. Like I just want to update everything to latest. I thought we were rid of PDF to JSON. Wait. Okay, this is what the what? How is that happening? I don't have PDF to JSON in here. Is that a sub dependency maybe? What else would be using PDF to JSON? Let's find in folder. Was it Control Shift Tab, I think, or Control Shift F? Yeah. Nope. Yes. PDF to. It's just in my PNPM lock. What is it under? Is it under anything? No. I, what? What am I missing here, guys? This is weird. I don't like it. Did I not save it before? I bet I didn't save it. Oh. Yeah, I didn't. Lame. That's fine. That explains some things. All right, I can just PDF or not. I can PNPM uninstall, but this is useful. Okay, so updated the major dependencies. Oh, cool. Yeah, Fastify went from 10 to 11, which is that's the sort of thing I'm looking for. Although we're not necessarily worried about cores with this, but maybe we'll add some like endpoints for management or something. Checkpoint Postgres. Fine. 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 And then I should run pnpm install. Yeah, sure. Because that's so hard. Wait. Oh, no, no, no. Darn it. I need to update. Let's see here. Settings. Well, first of all, we'll go ahead and accept. This is fine. We're going to delete the package lock. We're going to delete the PNPM lock again. And we're going to delete the node modules. And then we're going to PNPMI, and I'm going to go into the settings and we can tell, let's see here, rules. Always use PN, unless the package JSON defines another package manager in, or always use the package manager defined in package JSON. If none is found, use. I should do it the other way around. I don't know. It's one of those things like I don't want it to have to check every single time. I'm just gonna say always use PNPM. Unless otherwise instructed. All right. Bueno. It's great. It's beautiful. All right. Now let's try and get rid of some stuff again. So we're gonna pnpm. What is it? Pnpm uninstall. Wow, typing is hard. All right, we don't want that right now. We might need this. I'm gonna hold on to this and that. Let's get rid of this for now. Because I'm gonna try and use like I think we'll set this up with like a super base. I just want something that's free to launch and, you know, like widely available types, MIME types. I think we needed that. Bottleneck's kind of important. .env's going to be important. We don't need this right now. We're going to use electron log. Why? Because I've been using it and now I kind of, there's things I like about it and there's things I don't. So just kind of stuck with it. This is gigantic and we don't need that right now. Okay. PG, do we need the native Postgres words? I don't think we need the native Postgres bindings because that's going to be a dependency of Prisma anyways. Pinot Pretty, those are part of that. I don't think we want Playwright right now. And then, yeah, we want the rest of these things. Okay. Get rid of this stuff. All right. Now, I totally forgot even, well, I did. And then we got sidetracked. Here we go. Okay, so now we got all this stuff. Make sure we add the new changes. There we go. And we'll commit this as first commit. There's still stuff in now. So there's still stuff in here that's kind of like, there's stuff in Aurora that's kind of secret sauce for me right now. Like it's things that I'm not ready to just have out there. And strings too. Let's get rid of, that's not that one, strings. Strings. There we go, constants. Deleted, all right. That's fine. Aurora chat is not something we're going to be using for this. The agent, we might, we're gonna stick with the basic stuff. I can always pull more stuff in later. Let's just literally, there we go. We do want the check pointer. We don't need any of this stuff. Whoa, hello, there we go. We don't need any of the selectors. Wait, I thought I just deleted this. Why is it still here? Did I just delete something I didn't mean to? Yes, we'll see that for a minute. Okay. Strings is empty now. Okay, this is gone. Plugins. Yes. Routes. We don't need. No, I'm just going to nuke that for now. We don't need it, which means we're also going to need to get rid of this and say do something. Actually, I'll comment it out so I remember. That's fine. That's fine. All right. We don't need the SERP API schema. We're not going to use it right now. Tools. Yeah, we don't need a lot of this stuff. We might need Telegram. Strings is always useful. Search is useful, but we're not really doing that right now, at least. Okay, let's just... Date time's always fine. Math is fine. Memories, I do think we're going to want. No. No. Yes. Yes. No. All right. Because this stuff is like date and time tools. Basically, get current date and time, get current date, get current time. Let's here, clear this stuff out. And the math tools are, I mean, well, they're exactly what you'd expect. They're, you know, LLMs are not good at math on their own. Sorry, I feel like I'm missing stuff. All right, so we got our math. Yeah, this is all going to be very different. Sorry, I'm struggling with this. Do I want to have this in here? I do, but I don't want it to cause issues. No, this is part of what I want. It's not what we're going to do today, though. I can set that up again in the future as soon as we're ready for it. Okay. Now, this is definitely not going to work. The model tracker stuff is no bueno. Message splitter might be necessary. We're going to redo the load end stuff is great. Document utils we don't need. Boom. AI models. We don't need any of this stuff. We're going to change that. So that's not going to be like that either. We are going to want these ones. We are not going to necessarily care about most of this stuff. This is a chat. I'm going to keep some local chat here. So let's go ahead and keep a couple of those. That's fine. And then we're just going to get rid of all of this. Nope, that's not what I want to do. Wait, what did that do? Yeah, no, that's not what I want. Let's say models. Or yeah, that's fine. We'll just do this for now. There we go. Simple. We can come back again and fix a bunch of this stuff later. Oh, you know what? I don't even have Olama. No, I do have Olama running on here, but it's through. It's probably way out of date. That's fine. I'm not too worried about it. I'm not planning on using it necessarily. So, but I want to leave it in here for examples, so I don't want to screw with that. Okay. Okay. And the check pointer is, yep, using the, oh wow, it's using, that is using the Postgres stuff. Crud. Okay. which means I'm gonna need PG, which I thought I uninstalled. I did. I'm gonna need to reinstall that. Okay. Because yeah, the way that oh man, but I'm not even running that locally. Sorry, I'm struggling with a lot of things here because like trying to think about all the things that I would do. Um, there's reasons that I did not use Supabase for this other thing I was working on. And now I'm remembering what they all were, because it's like I want to keep it more agnostic. Like I don't want to really pigeonholed into Supabase, and like they are Postgres, but then they're not. Oh, what was the new one? Oh, there was something else that I just recently wanted to play with that was a hosted Postgres. What was? Oh, maybe Neon. Neon Postgres. Because this they have a free tier for this. I don't know if they have the I don't know if they have the oh, what's it called? Vector database stuff that Supabase has enabled, but let's find out. We'll call this demo Telegram agent. 17 is great. US to East Ohio. Can I go west? That'd be great. Cool. All right. Well, let's move on from that for now. Anyways, yeah, the check pointer provided by LangChain really wants a pooler implementation, and not the just a raw Postgres connection. So, and it definitely doesn't accept a Prisma. Although I wonder if there's a way to do it like raw, like through raw queries. But anyways, I'm not going down that rabbit hole today. So this is kind of a weird thing, but this is how I was able to get the Postgres check pointer from LangChain set up. And I know they just updated to an 0.4, so I'm curious if some of it's fixed compared to the way it was, but this is basically how I had to do it. I couldn't use a connection string. I had to set it up as a pool, and the pool had to be connecting to a pooler, like just a lot of different little bits and pieces here. Sorry, water. Okay. Back to the Telegram. This is the agent. Let's see here. We're not doing memories yet. We don't need all of these things. We really just need that, and we can use. We're not doing that. For this model, we can get forgot what I renamed it to. It's just the Gemini tools model. And it's not get, right? It's just Gemini tools model. Did I do that as? Oh, I did. I guess I'm fine with that. And I don't need to get selected model because that was for a wrapper thing. Okay. Getting rid of these things. Sorry, a lot of cleanup first because I have a lot of extra stuff here. Wait. Do I not have any tools for this then? I should still have like math tools and stuff. Hmm. And the string length tool. I must have deleted them from, okay, so we got the string length tool, which should be, I mean, I was trying to export everything from here. Okay. And the math tools are from here. Okay. I need that. Okay, but and I don't need that. And I don't need that, but I do want my math tools. There we go. I don't want my string tool. Okay, and we're not using the store. At least not yet. And we are going to nuke this system message because I think we want to start custom. All right, and then the way that this, right. Okay, this is fine. Okay, we're getting close here. So are we? We're almost down to the bare minimum. I do want to. Okay, look, we're actually set up here. So this is, yeah, we need a Telegram bot token. This is going to be the Gemini API key. Right, but I don't have client ones. It's all server. And where are they coming from? Or is it, it's here, okay. Install, create the schema. Yeah, we got that. Move client prefix and client profit. Yep, okay, that's fine. We can do that because we don't need these things. Oh, is it gonna work now? All right, so if we come back over to Telegram, no, Telegram service. Let's see here. Oh wait, the Telegram update? Because we didn't get rid of Telegraph. What was that before? Let me look real quick. I still need to do that. Oh, you know what? Let me just go ahead and check all this stuff in. All right, I think we're good enough. There's nothing in here that I'm too worried about. README. Yep, README is fine. Okay. Prisma scheme is fine. These are okay. There's stuff in here that's like not here. Stuff in here that I can still nuke out, but you know, yeah, let's go ahead and get rid of all this. Down to there. Go. That's all good. I don't know why that got nuked. Okay. This doesn't exist anymore. Oh, oh right, that whole thing doesn't exist anymore. So I don't need this bit because there aren't any of those. There isn't workflow context. There aren't workflow events. Oh yeah, so I can nuke this whole thing, huh? Okay. Don't need these, that, or that. Don't need this. do need these. Okay. Maybe I want to put those last files. I don't want to deal with files right now, though. We can add those back in later, right? Okay, so this is on document. So I'm literally going to go ahead and clear out the document. So wait, how do I want to like... Yeah, that's how I did it. Right, okay. I want to, yeah, because we're not going to have this user specific anymore, but this is good because we can just come up here right now and say documents not supported at this time. And then return, because I think, I don't know, like, it seemed like that was kind of important before, and I don't remember if it was. Okay, text is the more important part. Okay, so we got the command, start, help, and then we got message, basically. So here's, we're going to say the message is, we're getting rid of this whole user specific stuff. Right. Yeah. But we might use bottleneck or something to make sure that it doesn't get spammed. Okay, what else do we have here? So we have bot on, and we have bot on document, which again, oh no, that's the one we already did. So we did that. Not support, callback query. Has to do with the bot, the document stuff, and I'm not doing any of that. There we go. Whoa, I got rid of one too many things, I think. Yeah, okay. There we go. Okay, and we got the handler. So unknown stuff. Okay. Send chunked message is important. Send message, excellent. Start, stop, cool. We are coming into the home stretch here. Oh, I don't know why that is screwy. I guess we'll find out. That's going to be .env now. I thought I didn't I didn't keep it, I guess. I thought I kept that. Utils message split. Yeah, I did keep that. Why is that? Man, some things just I don't understand. I don't need that though. Okay. Extra reply. Yeah, see, this is where this came from. Can I not have that anymore? Try restarting the server, see if it comes up. What about this? All right, at least that's still available. What changed there? Was it like it wasn't an import? Yeah. Oh, huh. It's like my types. Wait, where's my TS config? Wait, what? Is that what I accidentally deleted? Oh my gosh. Okay. I can restore that. Right? Where? Oh, because it's not. All right, right. I can't restore that because, okay, well, I'll just grab it from the old place. New file, ts config, JSON. That is awesome. Okay, here we go. Tools, agents. Sorry, I'm on the other screen because I'm gonna grab this. Copy. Nope. Copy. Paste. There we go. All right. Why is that not working? Because the alias doesn't exist anymore. Oh, and now this is broken again, though. Wait, what? How was that even working before, but it was not? All right, restart TS server. No, why is this not working? What does that mean? I don't understand why. Oh, oh. Weird. Now I should be able to get this back. Yeah, okay. And those are gone now too. Okay. We are so close. We gotta get this environment stuff working. I'm gonna try closing the window, opening one more time. Because that's always the thing. Have you tried turning it off and on again? Don't turn red, don't turn red. Why is it? Yeah. Okay. So okay, so here we go. While depending both client and server schemas in a single pub provides the best developer experience, it also means your validation schemas are shipped to the client. Therefore, they okay. So I could technically split them into two different things, but it doesn't matter because. So what is the thing that is causing this to not be able to find it at all, which is weird bonkers to me. Let's try yes next. I don't think that that's gonna matter. 6. I don't really want. I mean, I don't really want ES next. I kind of want to. I want to have more control over it, like ES 2015. I don't really need to resolve JSON module anyways, because I can just import them. Fine, but it doesn't. It's not. Oh, now Zod's angry too. What? Okay, something is not right here. What am I missing? There is no scripts directory anymore. It doesn't matter. We are including all of these things, which is appropriate. We don't need to include node modules. Oh yes, Lint's throwing a fit too. Yes, Lint ignores no longer. Okay, that's fine. Modules and dist are probably already in there. Start Lint server, restart TS server. Okay, this is so wild to me. Zod is definitely there. And it has everything it's supposed to have. This could be breaking this. This is all good. Right? If I PNPMI again. Yep, it's up to date. It's all good. And what if I delete these and try and import them? Yeah, they're not coming in. Some stuff is, though. It's trying. Okay, so it does say specifically that it is an ESM only. Just sorry, coming back to the documentation. It says it's an ESM only package. Make sure you use your TS config, use the modular resolution that can read. Blah 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 blah. Okay, so what module resolution would like let's see here. I can't remember what module resolution this is called. Res test TypeScript. Sure. Not worried about it. No, no. Sure. No, thank you. No, thank you. All right. So this uses target ES 2022. Okay, well, we'll try that. And we can try allow JS. Although I don't really, shouldn't really need that. Nope, not what I, oh, not what I, what did I do? How do I undo that? Okay, that was weird. Anyways, ba, 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 ba. Let's try ES 2022. Let's try ES 2024. Why not? And then we'll go back here. And what do they use for module? Yes, next. And modular resolution bundler. Let's try that. Module. We have modular resolution in here? No. Resolution. Wow, nice, but no. Bundler. Oh, come on. Thank you. I do need a comma though. There we go. Hey, hurrah. Okay, and the cool thing could be, let's see here. So let's go into the Telegram service. And oh, but now this is kind of broken. That's interesting. Can I still get that brought in? Oh, weird. Huh. But because it's a different kind of module, huh? Well, first things I want to do is try and we don't need that either. We want that, and we don't want that. And we want to be able to import it as this. And we should be letting it, oh, not from there. From there. Okay, cool. That is now technically working. What do I do about this, though? Are there separate types that I can download from npm? No. There's telegraph types. Do I still need this? Da, 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 da. Let's see. I don't even think the message thing. I'm looking for extra message reply, and that's not even there. Although we can go in and check telegraph types. We can search in here. No. So even if I got this, it wouldn't have what I'm looking for, which is a bummer. I might try. You try it anyway. Why not? When was this? Yeah, last published was a month ago. Let's try. It's probably a dev, not main. Anyways, all right. And restarting TS server. Yeah, I didn't think so. If I get rid of the bundler part, would this make a difference? No, but now it's angry with a lot of things. Yeah, no, I need node resolution, or I need module resolution when I'm using ESNext like that. Okay. Sorry. I can, for now, do this though. I just want to get this part. Options, what are options used for part of the send message? The send chunked message is used in how many places? Just here. And then this is the thing where it's, okay. Interesting. Oh, right. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Anyways, because reply to is not known for. Chat ID, text. Extra reply message, and it is still there. It's just like, why can't I? TT, can I try it? Can I do that? TT.extra reply message. Let's try that. Nope, not that. And then can I import this? No. Where is that coming from? TT. Shoot, where was that? That was right here. TT is coming from Telegram. Oh, it's coming from Telegram types. That should be available, right? Oh. Maybe that would be in. No, that's not going to be in there either. Is it possible that the thing I just installed is actually overriding it? Uninstall. And then we'll restart the TS server. Wait, we know this exists-ish. Telegraph. Yeah, it's exporting as types. Let's see here. Okay, that's a terrible way to name it, by the way. It's your best try types. Yeah. Yes. All right. Okay. Don't like necessarily, but as okay. It would be super awesome though if I get this working like right now, and then we've got like this solid proof of concept thing going on. So I need to go to bot father. If you've never set up one of these before, we say /new bot. What are we gonna name it? We're gonna name it Fastify or demo Fastify Gemini bot. Actually, I don't think that I can call it that, but oh, okay, sure. Let's call this curiously Corey bot. Oh, and there's my key. Lovely. Well, can I regenerate that? Yeah, there we go. Revoke. Curiously Corey bot. Revoke. And it's got to be the name, I guess. Demo Fastify Gemini bot. Oh wait, what? My bots. Oh, cool. Got it. Okay. I'm gonna put that in a .n folder. I'm not gonna show it this time though. But it's gonna be the, what are we calling this? Oh, can I just pull this over here? That'd be great. Okay. Sorry, brain. And we're gonna call this the Telegram bot token. So it basically is gonna look like this. Telegram bot token equals blah blah blah. Okay. And I can put that in a .n example, and this one will be, so Telegram bot token equals blah 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 blah. Not gonna lie, I am concerned that autocomplete might be a problem here. API token, revoke curtain token. Try this one more time, and then hopefully, come on, where's the thing? There we go. I can avoid having it leak it. Okay, great. That's lovely. We're solid. Okay, so let's try dev. We're broke. Okay, not too bad. So what do we got? Cannot find. Yes, because I deleted some. Oh wait, that's gonna be an index. There we go. We don't have routes currently, which is fine. There we go. Let's try this again. Oh, what do we got now? Yep. You know, I could probably just lint this instead of running it over and over again. Same difference. In this case, anyway. All right. Yeah, and then we got some load end stuff that we're not using anymore because what we are using is, and we don't need that. Cool. And we don't need these. Bring that back in if we use it later. All right, now we got Prisma client. Oh, we need to generate our Prisma, so pm db generate. We are going to need our database URL here. So in Neon, you know, I'm going to go ahead and this is going to have passwords in it. Here's my connection string, copy, paste. I'm just going to go ahead and put it in, not here. Oh gosh, yeah. Sorry, get rid of that. And disable some notifications real quick. Where's my mute? Mute. 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 All right, sorry about that. Back to here, and here, and there. All right, so I'm grabbing a connection string, and this is going to go into database URL. Something like that. Yeah, beautiful. Gemini API key is going to be something like that. Cool, great. No, that's not what I want to do either. I really, yeah. Got to figure this part out. Okay, so database URL, let's go ahead and get that in there. Beautiful. Although, yeah, we may run into the thing with the pooler here, but we'll see. We're gonna see about this first. So if I pm db push, see if that'll let me do. Ah, cool. So that should now be available over there. And then if I pm db studio, which is pretty cool, we can see we've got all of our tables, and this is live on the server. So that's pretty rad. All right. Not too worried about that right now, though. We are still working through. Let's see here. We needed all this stuff. We got that stuff set up. I'm gonna close that before it auto completes anymore. Semi-correct API keys. Allowed origins. That sounds good to me. All right, let's close some things up here. All right. Where are we at? Right. And that is in here, which I don't know why we had in here. I guess we'll find out. Oh, because of the Wolfram Alpha app ID, you know. I'm just gonna disable this for now because addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. It's not even here anyways. Or it was at some point. There we go. Okay. And is that gonna cause issues upstream? Yes, in theory, but I'm just gonna get rid of it because it's super awesome, but I don't need to go through that right now. All right. Port, that's right. The port should have a default. Let's go all the way back to base index. So we got process and port. Right, should be this. Yeah, or 3000, which is fine. But this is not going to be N. This is going to be like this. And then in here, in load env, we can have an optional There we go. That's interesting. What am I missing? It's literally this. Is it saying end dot port is something? But it should be it's either a number undefined. If it's undefined, it should be 3000. Oh, do I have a port set potentially? No, I don't have any ports set. Huh. Unless it's an empty string, which would be weird. I'm gonna set up a port in the end file real quick. And actually I want it like 3200. There we go. Yeah, okay. So we got that, we got that. If we run this again. Okay, now we got something else, which is fine. We're getting there. Invalid. Yeah. Expected number received string. There is some magic to this. I'm curious actually what that's not the one I want. Where's my other? There it is. Sorry. Bring this back over. I am curious what T3 suggests because they did say they've got some magic. Where's the magic? Or is it under recipes? Yeah, booleans, numbers. Here we go. Yeah, that looks fine. Okay. I would have just coerced it, I think, but I'm assuming that this is a little safer. I'd like to create like a helper for that though. I mean, that's my tools. No, in the end file, const stir number equals this, right? And then I can say that this down here should be a stir number. And I can still say like the optional and stuff. Yeah. So, you know, that's always a thing. Hey, there we go. All right, so we're running that on 3200. Doesn't matter. That's like the externally available one. What I need to do from here is go and finally commit it. I think we're good. We're good, right? We're finally good. There's no env. Everything is clear. We got the magic. First commit. What else do we got? Strip down bot using T3 or implemented T3 env. Ready to rock. Let's go. Do not want to publish that yet, though. What I want to do is follow the GitHub instructions, which are these now. All right. I hope that worked the way I wanted it to. Please be there. Oh, sweet. Okay, cool. This is now live. We are making progress. Now let's actually let's have a message, huh? Let's see this work in practice. So I'm gonna create a new one, new message to curiously Corey bot. Or how do we do this normally? Is it new group? Curiously Corey bot. That looks right. Cool. And start video chat. We don't have the bindings for that yet. Anyhow, all right. So, hello world. Let's see if this gets picked up. Or do I even have that logging out right now? Telegram. Send, nope, bindings. On message, not document. On text. Yeah, it should be setting like processing your request, all this other stuff. Okay. Thinking. What do I need to debug here? Because if nothing else, this part still should have kicked out. Let's see here. We know the Telegram service started, so it did bind. So basically what happens, it's like the index runs through all this stuff and it registers the plugins and the services, and one of those services is this Telegram service, and it does the whole set app thing. Oh, you know what though? Wasn't it doing something else to actually kind of, yeah, I think I need to set up handlers. No, yeah, it's in the constructor. So it should be there. I guess let's make sure that's actually running. Log info handler setup started. Yeah, I mean, that worked. And then if we come back to our chat, we should be able to say sup. And it's not coming through. Did I do something wrong in the, I'm gonna check bother again. Yep, so there's the old one. Here's the new one. For that. I'm gonna go and double check here that everything is right. Yeah, that is what it's supposed to be. And if I got rid of it altogether, it should throw an error saying it's necessary, right? Yeah. It says, hey, well, this is necessary. And when I put it in there, it does work as intended or as expected. Let's just double check here. So going back to sorry. I don't see. Oh, I'm good, thanks. All right. This is interesting. What am I missing here? Yeah, I'm not too worried about that because it's not being referenced anywhere else in the app currently, or anywhere else in here currently, which is fine. The handlers are being set up, so it should have all of this stuff. I'm curious. So if I drop a document in here, grab, you know what? Don't trust anything. All right. Let's find here. Perfect. There. So if I drop this in here, does that pop in the logs? No, it doesn't. So like none of these, even though these handlers are supposedly running, does it have any commands? Oh, maybe I needed to start first. Oh, yeah, that's old message, huh? Welcome. I'm here to help you. Let's just do that, right? It's generic. Now that I have done /start, can I do... Holy moly. No, it still didn't come through. Now that is really interesting and frustrating. I mean, I'm kind of glad I didn't have to hit, or I don't think I'm supposed to need to hit /start. And then now if I drop, this should be replying that, yeah, stuff is not, that documents aren't supported. Wait, so start worked. All right, so we got start worked. What about help? Okay. Yeah, and that has more stuff. Okay. So this is not being triggered. Did Telegraph, maybe Telegraph did an update and I'm on the old stuff. Let's see here. So Telegraph 463. Let's check the docs. That is not the one I want. That so I'm going to click on it a bunch of times. All right, Telegraph. Yeah, the last published was a year ago. That's definitely not. That's not what's happening. All right. Um, what about the Telegram version? Last published a month ago. But they didn't, it's like it's definitely not a major version, so that shouldn't be the issue either. It is loading. I wonder if it has something to do with being on WSL and not like proper Linux, like a networking thing. Let me try. No, yeah, okay. Because this stuff would definitely be affected, but and I can definitely go back in and set this to like 127.0.0.1. There we go. And I bet that's happening because of pooling, and I've only got like one connection or something like that. Let's see if I can find pooler information. I'm gonna go into settings. Let me make sure that there isn't any. Okay, I think we're okay. I don't know. I can reset API keys or whatever if I need to. Updates connection, network security, transfer, delete, general compute. No. All right. So how do we? Does Neon support connection pooling, or do I have to do it myself? Okay, so Neon uses PG Bouncer. Okay, I just need to add a dash pooler to the end. I can try that. That's over here. So it's before the US.east. Okay. Yeah, that's not what I wanted. Thank you. So, or in this case, be US West, right? So, or not before, it's after that and before the dot. So dot pooler. Okay. Let's see. Oh, that happened a lot faster. Uh, no, it's actually, oh, darn, it is before the US West or US, yeah. So, blah, 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 blah. Dash pooler, dash US. Oh, no, I do have that sub. So, okay, so it's all the things, numbers, dash pooler, dot US. Yeah, okay. Is there something else I needed? I'm relatively confused about how this is supposed to be working. All right, let's just get to use connection pooling. Use a pooled connection string instead of a regular connection string. It's dash pooler. To connect the connect database modal provides connection pooling toggle that adds. It does it? Is it there? I didn't see it there, but I definitely could have been looking at the wrong. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. So I was already using the pooler. All right, so it was not have anything to do with the pooling, which is now more concerning. That's fantastic. All right. Okay. What do we got? Also, I haven't been looking here in forever. Oh, yeah, of course we've got. All right. Hope that nuked their stuff also. Huh. I'm just realizing that, like, oh, never mind. Yeah, oh, my face is frozen. How long has my face been frozen for? That's weird. Turn it off and turn it back on again. So I'll give that a shot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see if it come back here. Not that my face is very interesting, but you know. All right, so the pooler was already being used. I mean, I'm just gonna turn off the camera for now if nobody can see it anyways. All right. Okay, so we had the pooler on. Da 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 da. Main. Okay. And I restarted everything, and we just wanted to say hi again, and come back over here, and I just want it to show me that it sees it. Why? I'm missing something. What did I do wrong, or what did I do different? Let's try new message directly to curiously Corey bot demo fastify Gemini bot. Do I need to like add me as a, sorry, I keep having contacts come up here and I don't really want that. New message. Curiously Corey bot. I feel like I'm missing something. Sorry, I'm just I mean, I guess I could be sharing this for sure. Here we go. Yeah. This is all great, but how do we actually? Yeah, that's not what I want. I want to know, how am I supposed to start? Uh-huh. I I have this feeling like this has something to do with being on WSL and not being on like because of the networking involved with WSL, and that it's not able to but it should be listening. All right, I'm gonna look at my other code. Where is me old code? Tools, agents. And we're looking there. You guys can see my secret sauce here. All right, so we have the setup handlers. We had the setup workflow events was the other thing that happened before. So if I look at the setup workflow events, I had this stuff where it was like getting these contexts, watching these other events, but they didn't have to, they were internal events. And then that would send a message if it, depending on what it was, if it was an error, it would send a different message. Yeah. And then the handlers, I got rid of some of the stuff in document because we didn't need it. I got rid of the callback query entirely because that's the button clicks from the other stuff. And that's it. I mean, I'm not getting an error either. It's just, it's not hearing the message. That's so weird. How can I test this? We know it's there. We know that's doing that. I mean, this could throw an error for sure, but it should throw an error. Let's try. Just make that quiet. Just say, just should reply processing a request. I mean, and it should be showing what the message was. Message any, and that is the suggested way of doing it right now. All right, so looking at the Telegraph stuff, let's pop back over here and just kind of take a look at the, what did I just lose? Something went, I wonder if it was my camera timing out again. All right. What? No, I'm not worried about that. I just want, I don't want to, yep. Wait, what? Yeah, this is great, but, oh, this is the types. That, I'm like, why is this not giving me the instructions I need? Okay, 4.0, sweet. For the extensions. Okay. Right, and so this is what we're doing. There we go. There we go. We have Telegraph. Yeah, I'm not doing that right now. Okay. And the new bot, so new Telegraph is happening in the constructor, and it's creating one with the bot token. And if that didn't exist, then it would be throwing an error. Let's go ahead and confirm right here. Log info new bot initialized. I like cursors. I mean, I appreciate that cursor's not like ratting on me, but anyways, yeah, bot initialized. Okay. So we know that's happening. Next step, bot.start. We have one of those. Start. I don't have a bot.start. Ooh, where was that before? Not there, not there. Didn't I just have it open? Did I close it? Oh gosh, I did that again. There we go. Oh, I don't. It's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. Okay. Did I not? Didn't I just have? I guess I just closed it. Oh, there we go. Okay. Got disconnected. And bot.start. I did not have bot.start here either. Okay. Do I? Wait, what is start? This dot start? Ooh, dot start. I might have found, I bet it was it in here? Aha! Did I get rid of this? This would explain some things. Da, 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 da. Oh, it's right there. And then it says started. Okay, well, that, which is that, which is this, which, and then, yeah, so on ready is firing and dot start is going. All right, well, next up. Telegraph. Okay. Going back to the service. All right, so dot help, we know works, right? Help. Wait. Help. This is on help. So then these are the commands. So we have on, there we go. So on message, sticker is sticker, but we have text, right? Is an option. Interesting. It has this dot here's. I wonder what that's about. Dot launch. I do have, okay. Start does dot launch. Oh wait, what part's doing the Telegram bot started? Started. Telegram bot started. Ooh, this isn't going. Huh. Okay. This isn't, no, this is, okay. Telegram service started. This is launching, but this isn't. Um, let's try this. Starting Telegram bot. So that is going, but it's like getting stuck on dot launch. Unless it's supposed to get stuck there. Okay, so we know it's launched at least to the point where it's registering those commands. Help. Start. So I received start command. Got the help. So the receive start command is up here, right? Of course, everybody's got my ID now. Sure, that's fine. Start. Receive start command from. Yeah, okay. And it's replying. But for some reason, it is not registering this part. I was so curious. Sticker. You know, sticker's a thing, right? Like, and then, are these stickers? What was considered a sticker in this context? Yeah, an emoji. Or no, I don't know. Is there just like a fire hose I can subscribe to? Yeah, so here's the text, which is what I was using before. I feel like something is just not. Wait, not indexing right. I don't know how to describe it. So I don't think it's a network thing. It is getting commands, but these handlers are not running. Hmm. Does this have something to do with the way that I did this? Let's try a new group. chat test, demo chat test. And then can I slash invite? Invite? Is that how it works? Or do I just there we go. I don't know that this should do anything differently, but let's go. Let's try that. Start. Hi there. Nope. Why? This worked so easily on the other one. You know, maybe that's what I should do as a test. Is just boot up my other one, and I need all the end information, and that's on my other box. This is so close to being like in like the where I want to have it for right this minute, and I am sad that this is what I'm struggling with. Okay, so let's go back to the docs, right? It's always the question, what am I doing wrong? This isn't coming through. This dot bot is getting set, right? Yeah, this dot bot is getting set as the new telegraph, which is then setting up the handlers. So it's going through adding the commands. Is there a linting error maybe, like that, or an error that I'm not seeing? Yeah, I need to set up linting correctly. It is. Okay. How about pm build? Do I not have a build command? Oh, I don't. That's fine. I wonder if I ran it with pm start instead. Would that have any? So it's gonna run that under TS node instead of using. No, that's really, well, that might tell me something. No, yeah, we're good. Well, this is frustrating. How do we do this? So we know that these two work. I can register commands and say like slash help. Oh. Oh, because it does need to be running. It's pretty important. There we go. Yeah, okay. But we definitely need it to be able to access text. I feel like there's something I'm missing here, something I forgot. Is there something I have to do in botfather to enable it? Let's see here. Bot settings. Allow groups. Groups are on. Okay. Sorry, I can actually show this part, hopefully. Inline mode? No. Inline mode off. That's interesting though. Okay, so business mode. What is business mode? And does it change anything? I mean, I will at least give it a restart. It is listening, but it is not. I feel like there's something I did very different when I created the group with my, or went and did the set up my other one, and I don't remember 100% what it was. So now let me. Oh, wait, what? Oh, I might have got rid of it. Okay. Oh, what? Sorry. I am totally messing things up. Add folder, dev stream, dev stream. Okay. Botfather. I don't think I need business mode on. Let's see here. Allow groups is on. Channel admin. Wait, what? I don't know what that. What if I go into, okay, so where is my, this one? Bot settings. Inline mode is off. Business mode is off. Allow groups are on. Group privacy on. Group admin rights. You know, I really don't have anything going on here. Channel admin rights, payments, domain. Set domain. Link your website with your bot. Use Telegram. Oh, interesting. Empty. Don't need that. Bot. Edit bot. There we go. So none of that stuff is set anyways. Yeah. Okay. Edit bot. Edit bot pick. Definitely this guy. All right. Back to bot. I almost wonder if it has something. I'm going to reset the API token one more time. Or let's see. Let me verify that it is what. No, that's not what I want. There we go. It is currently set. I'm going to revoke it. And that threw some issues right away. So, I mean, yeah, it could not have possibly been. Never mind. That was kind of silly. If that wasn't working, then I mean, none of it would have. It wouldn't have been picking up the other stuff either. So, all right, try again. We're up and going. Okay. Settings. Allow groups. So it is allowed for groups. I don't remember. I didn't leave the other one. What happened to my other chat? There it is. It's the bot. It's bot. Where is it? I thought I had it up there. Okay. Sorry, I'm just not 100% comfortable sharing what's going on there. Okay, so this is definitely set up differently. What the heck is happening now? Is that some sort of St. Patty's Day thing? Seems kind of broken. That was weird. Ah. All right. All right. New message. At Curiously Corey bot. Okay, that's not working. How did I I apparently just accidentally did it right the first time, and this is not the same way I did it this time apparently, because it's not chat, it's not channel, right? It's not channel. Curiously Corey bot. No, that's not it either. Oh, maybe this is it. Okay, so weird thing. So I clicked on the picture. I'm gonna hit start. I'm gonna say hi. Okay, what the heck? Okay, so there's something else going on that I need to figure out for groups. Because this is technically a group, right? Yes, this is a group. Something is different with the way that it works in groups. Allow groups. Groups are on. So but I wonder if within the context of groups it only anyways. All right, so we got direct messages. Sorry, I wonder if context of groups that it's only going to do the commands, that it's not going to listen, and that there's other things that we might need to do. So that is interesting and good to know. I want to figure that out, but that is not what I'm going to do right now. Right now, I'm going to take this and we're going to go to the next phase with it, because this is what we really want to do here, is to get this working with the with Gemini, right? So let's go ahead and come in here to handle message. I like to add the current date and time to the message so that the LLM has context, because a lot of times, it just doesn't. State modifier, here's the system message. So in the system message, sorry, we're just going to say, That's what we're gonna say. No. Wait, what? Something. What is going on here? Thank you. All right. Da, 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 da. Oh, that's right. And the first time it's set up, I need to run on PJPG checkpoint setup. There we go. Okay. This is a weird thing. That's part of the way that they set up the PG checkpoint. That they, being LangChain, set up the PG checkpoint saver. But the first time you use it, you need to set up the you need to run the setup, and that's what creates the tables and all that stuff. All right, so I have these things, I have that thing. Okay. So now I'm gonna go ahead and say the simplest that's here. You are a helpful Telegram assistant. Your maximum. It's here. How do I want to say this? Tech. So Telegram, you have a lot of ability to do lots of rich text stuff, but it is kind of a huge pain in the butt to configure. And so let's just limit your message responses to, let's just say 4,000 characters. Use plain text. For your, or it's here, yeah. Format your replies with in plain text. All right. Now I need to grab a Gemini API key, which I'm going to do here from aistudio.google.com. Get API key, create API key. Put all this in here. Create API key in existing class. Generating API key. Copy. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and drop that over here. Boom. Boom. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Why did it do that? I closed the window and it just popped it back in over here. That is... Wait, I don't have permission to delete API keys in this project? What do you mean? It's my project. Sorry. I am trying to figure this out as far as what just happened. And of course, my tech is being super wonky. Oh, okay, open Settings. Sorry, apparently I have to configure this. Google account. That's not an option. What? Yeah, settings is open. I do not have something in here called Google. All right, search. Google. No, not app info. None of that stuff. Google account, maybe? Manage your Google account. Heck. I am so confused. Like, they gave me instructions, but they do not exist. Manage your Google. Okay. Okay, here we go. I think, no. Oh my gosh, this is so frustrating. It doesn't exist. Why are you telling me to do this when it doesn't exist? Google account? Oh, I think I might have found it. Maybe. Security. Okay, okay. We're making progress now. Signing in. Security code. Jeezy freaking Louise. I almost started saying it out loud. Not gonna do that. All right. Ah. That is right. What the heck? It's literally telling me that that's incorrect, even though I just followed their freaking instructions. What a tap security code. Yeah, okay. Do I have to put the spaces in? Oh, it's the it chose the wrong account for me. Even though the account that I went into is that okay, that's awesome. It I have multiple accounts on my phone and it even though I was in the other one, it chose to reset to my default. Okay. Okay. Sorry, of course I accidentally dropped this ridiculous thing. Well, I didn't drop it. Wasn't even my fault that time. Is this in there? Is that why I am... Oh, come on. Please. Let's go. Let's figure this out. Okay, so this is definitely not the right project. Can we get the right project? Maybe I need to create a new one. And then it'll show me all the old ones, hopefully. No, it won't. That's super awesome. Okay. My apologies. I have to figure out where these silly things are so I can delete the one that I accidentally just exposed. And I'm just gonna keep this over here. All right. None of that is it. Maybe under API, manage, credentials. Today is the 17th. That is the one I just created. And this is not at all. Yeah, because that's mine. Ah, man. What the heck? I thought for a second that I might have accidentally like opened it up under like that's the one, right? Sorry. I just opened it up accidentally under my like org. So it's the one that ends in MGW. Can I delete it? Can I just delete it from here? Delete. Delete. Jeezy for freaking Louisey. Okay. Let's try this again. For the umpteenth millionth time. There, there, there. We're gonna switch back to this one. There we go. We're gonna create a new one. We're gonna put it in the dot end and we're gonna close it and we're gonna forget it exists. Close. All right. We're all good. It's all good. Everything's fine. Now for the moment of truth, right? We should be able to have this. Dude, let's make some room here. Okay. And I wish I could close this, but I guess I could do that. So, what time is it? Ah, exploded. But hey, password authentication failed for. Oh yeah, because I can't use the connection string. Remember? Nah. Um. I'm gonna try and see if they fixed the connection string thing. Let's see here. So that was under the Telegram agent. No, it's in here. Okay. So let's say new pool. We'd be getting rid of all this. And it's going to be like connection string is n dot database URL. Maybe. I mean, it connected. All right. What time is it? Ah, okay. We're getting closer though. Oh yeah, now I have to run setup again because it must not have run last time. So wonder if I can add that to like an error handler so it just runs. Oh, we're probably getting closer now. Let's see here. So that's still saying that doesn't exist. Just curious if I put it over here. We did it! We have created the most complicated watch mechanism ever. That's pretty fantastic. I I think that is a really great place to call it for right now, because I've got stuff I've got to get done besides this. But like, there we go. So I mean, it only took us 2.5 hours, and most of it was debugging the stuff, but we made it in the end. So yeah, I think the next time I stream, I can. So I guess before I drop off, one of the cool things about all of this is that oh gosh, what? Oh, that's not even the screen. Let me see if I can pull up the I guess we could go to DB Studio. Oh no, but the studio isn't. Huh, I wonder if I can pull the schema. It's a question for a different time. Okay, so SQL editor. What about just tables? I don't know what tables they're in. Oh, there we go, tables. Yeah, there's the checkpoint stuff. So here's the thing, right? Like, so like the chat that we created is under my user ID and then the chat ID as the thread. So this actually will have persistent memory. Like, I can ask it, it's like what can I say? I can say what. I'll just keep it simple. So what color is a carrot? Right? Carrot's typically orange. What was the last question I asked you? Or how about just can you list, or please give me a list of all the questions I have asked so far. Beautiful. And so that's not coming from the Telegram chat. It doesn't have context of Telegram. Obviously, all of these things up here, it does not know about. But it is keeping an interaction of, or a record. Come on. It is keeping a record of all the inputs and the outputs. And it's also like keeping a record of all the tool executions and whatnot. And actually, the cool thing with this, what time is it, is that this time it was able to infer from the system. Well, okay, never mind. That was able to infer that from the system prompt. What tools does this have access to? It has access to the math tools and the string length tool. So how about we say, oh, string length is going to be on like the whole message, right? I'm actually curious. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 0. How many characters are between the quotes? I wonder if it can do this. Sweet. Yeah, so that almost certainly, I'd have to go check the Lang Smith logs, which are not actually being generated right now because I don't have the API key set up for them. But it must have been using the string. Actually, it probably told me here in the, no, I don't have it set up right now. Sometimes or most of the time, that's not it. I need string length. There we go. So I can say, no, it's just log. It's not quotes. Wow, where did my brain come from? On log. There we go. And then I can say log.info, calculating string length. There we go. Now we can tell that this is running even if, let's see here. An orange fox jumped over, wow, again, spelling, brown log. So I can totally come over here and say length. So this should come up with 37. How many characters are in the string between the quotes? Beautiful. And if I come in here, yep, so it actually used the string length tool and everything. So this is using Gemini 2.0 Flash. It is tool enabled. And memory enhanced. So one of the things I was talking about earlier, that it can really eat up your tokens doing the memory management in this way. And the only reason I'm doing it this sort of ham-handed, where like it really is just going to keep remembering this chat until it runs out of tokens, and it's going to remember the tool executions and everything else in between. So it'll start eating up your tokens really fast as the chat gets longer and longer, because it's resending all of that context to the LLM every single time it's processing a new message. So just keep that in mind. But I'm going to commit this, and I'm going to close everything down before I accidentally, let's see here. So we got working Gemini chat with tools. And I think I'm probably going to go ahead and have the README create, or that the LLM, I'm going to have Claude over here create a README for me based on everything. And then next time we can work on refining the memory a little bit. We can enable some other tools to make this agent more useful. But yeah, this is a really great template that you're welcome to use, and I hope that it helps you out. Yeah, anyhow, I got other things to do, so thank you all for dropping by.